Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're doing a home reset after vacation, and guess where I'm starting? The laundry. So let's get these dirty clothes washed. And I have my suitcase down here that we traveled with, and that's where I'm gonna start this. I actually enjoy packing. It's the unpacking that gets to me, and it's because of the laundry. So I was trying to be cost effective and use other brands, but I ended up with the Unstoppables. This scent lasts much longer, so I'm a fan now. So when I packed, we each had our own suitcase. So the kids had their own suitcase with all of their belongings, and I had my own suitcase with all of my belongings. But when we returned home, I used my suitcase to hold all of the dirty clothes. I used my daughter's suitcase to hold like the toiletry items and things like that, miscellaneous products, and I used my son's suitcase to hold all of our shoes. So when it was time to come home, I just wheeled in my suitcase in the laundry room because it had all three of our dirty clothes. And my son took the shoes to the designated closets, and then my daughter helped with the miscellaneous items, put them where they needed to go. So they've been a very, very big help. My family, we decided to take a trip once a year. With the change in family dynamics, it was much easier to plan, coordinate, and get together and have a great time. This year, we went to Destin, Florida, and it was about 20 of us. We stayed in a Airbnb with 2 adjacent homes with the pool connected. We went to the beach every day. We had a boat ride. Well, the adults, we enjoyed a boat ride. We went to, I think it's called Crab Island in Destin, Florida. We went to some of the small shops, some eateries out there. We had a really, really beautiful time. And we also took pictures on the beach. And just beautiful. That's all I can say. It was just a beautiful, beautiful time. Now it's time to get back to reality. We came back from our trip on a Thursday evening. I spent all day Friday washing and drying clothes. This is the next day here, and I'm just folding the clothes. And I'm also watching Sweet Magnolias. Am I the only one who loves Sweet Magnolias? They came out with a new season here recently, season 5, and I'm one that likes to start all the way over to make sure I remember everything, do not miss anything. So I'm rewatching the series, and then I'm gonna watch season 5 at the end. After I fold all the clothes, I will get 2 baskets from the laundry room, and I'll put all of my daughter's clothes in one basket, all of my son's clothes in another basket, and they will come and take these baskets upstairs and put them in their closets, in their drawers, and they'll bring the baskets back to the laundry room, and I'll just put up my clothes here on the bed. Laundry is done. So now I'm outside. I want to tidy some things back here. I took this bag here with me on the trip, the Airbnb where we stayed, or vacation home. It had a pool, so I took some life jackets and some pool toys and whatnot. So I need to unpack that. I'm going to blow this patio off because it is, a little dirty. And I'm gonna take these lanterns down, they're worn, and try to hang this light back up. So I have a few tasks I want to do outside. Hello, I am Morgan Scott. I am a mother of 2 small children, recently divorced, one that likes to be at home. I enjoy posting content with me cleaning, decorating, gardening, and cooking, and so much more. If you enjoy content like that, please subscribe. I would love to have you. After blowing off the rugs and the patio, I'm going back with a bug spray here. I'm just going to spray the rugs down. I like to be comfortable outside, so I'm just going to take the time to do that. As you can tell, it is so hot back here. But as you can see, that is finally fixed. And all those lanterns that were torn are removed. So, backyard looking good. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.